My name is Quincy, and this is my wife, Megan. We're traveling entrepreneurs. We started a company, Strong Body Apparel. It takes us all over the world. And when we're not traveling for our business, we're traveling for ourselves. Follow us as we explore new places and experiences. Hey guys, we just got back from an amazing trip in Maui. One of our favorite things to do in Maui is to hit the beaches and snorkel. So in this first video, we thought we would share some of our favorite snorkel spots with you. Hope you like it.
Can you take your earplugs out?
I wear earplugs on all planes. It blocks out
Children.
all sound. Kids. General, just like annoying things. Hey guys, Quincy Tamesia here. We're in Maui, heading to pick up our car. Super stoked. There's a few ways you can get around in Maui. You could take an Uber, which is not recommended as it's pretty far to go from one place to the next. And I'm just not a huge fan of Uber, but it is available. Taxis, another way to get around. We personally like to rent our own four-door compact Ford Fusion, which we're really excited about. Color red is preferable. Yeah, so anyways, next stop is the Dollar Rental, and we'll talk to you then. Thanks. All right, we are at Thrifty Car Rental, picking up our vehicle. And yeah, just recommend you look into insurance and do not prepay your fuel.
So just picking up our car. Gotta mark any spots that are damaged on the car. Usually in Hawaii, it's bigger than a golf ball, but we usually, for it to be safe, put anything that you notice at all.
We are at Polinalina Beach. It's definitely one of our favorite beaches. The swimming here is amazing. Water's warm. There's not a lot of big waves. And there's a beautiful reef on the right hand side that you can just follow out for snorkeling and that sort of thing. Definitely recommend that you spend a day or two just enjoying this beach. We're gonna do some snorkeling today at a place called Five Graves. It's a hidden little snorkeling spot just out past Four Seasons in Wailea. If you turn right down one of the roads and you drive down, you'll see all these bricks or stones, and then this little grave site here called Five Graves. It's a really good spot. You're basically guaranteed to see a ton of turtles and lots of other cool marine life and some beautiful coral reefs.
The water is crystal clear.
What time is it right now?
9:45.
Yeah, we're out here pretty early, 9:45 a.m. But it's a good time to get out before all the tourists and everyone kind of hits this spot. Coincidentally, Five Graves also has 5 caves. If you dive down and explore the full area around Five Graves, you'll be able to see white-tip reef sharks and sea turtles hiding in these caves. It truly is a wonder. Established in 1973, the Ahihi Natural Area Reserve includes coastal lava fields surrounding the waters on the southwest coast of the island. It's got a ton of rare and endangered species to check out, and it's one of our top snorkeling places in Maui. Just stopped into Honolua Chupa at the smoothie lunch and ice cold drinks. It's delicious. This is the vegetable curry I just got. And we got the pineapple tropical smoothie. Super good. Just gonna finish this up and head down to the beach. Feels pretty strong. Yeah, you ready?
Yeah. So we're walking through Honolua Park down to Honolua Bay. This area was going to be developed, and the local community fought for 7 years to keep it a public area with nature intact. And we're going to head down to Honolua Bay and check it out. We're snorkeling in Honolua Bay, and the coral is glorious.
We recommend snorkeling out to the right-hand side. The water is fairly clear once you get out a little bit deeper and over to the right. The coral is truly vibrant and some of the brightest coral I've seen in all of Maui.